first of all, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Harshita. I am student of 8th class in Shiv Model School. We are gathered to here to discussion on mobile phone. We are divide our debate into 4 parts. First, history of mobile phone. Second, advantage. Third, disadvantage. And fourth, last part, future of mobile phone. So I would like to call Hitesh for history discussion.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hitesh. Today I am in 9th standard. Today I am discussing about the history of mobile phone. If we talk about the present time of mobile phone become part of life, and life is not possible without mobile phone. Interesting fact is that we live without food at time, but we not live without mobile phone. I want the mobile phone era started in real way in the 2015. I want to ask you question. Anybody tell me which company launched wide range of mobile phone? Yes, the historical wide range was done by the Korean company Samsung. But the mobile phone launched by this company were very costly. So the market demand reduced the price of smartphone. This was done by the Chinese company Redmi. In year 2017, Redmi, a Chinese company, entered into Indian market and a big bomb price of smartphone. They after in cheapest price. Due to this is outcome in smart industries. Big day by day. A big contribution in the market value done by smart industries. This impact also seen by treasure of our Indian government because government imposed tax and VAT on smartphone and smartphone equipment. So response the company create a million jobs of smartphone. But nowadays company value growth and growth. Thank you. I would like to call my teammate Muskan.
First of all, good afternoon to all of you. I am Muskan, want to express the history of mobile phone. As my teammate tell about the modern history of mobile phone. But we talk about the history. In 1979, upon telegraph and telephone, the launch were firstly wide in Japan. The telephone developed in the year of 1980. But if we talk the about of the history development in the 1940s, in India, the firstly development in the phone Nokia in 1995. If we, here views we gathered to the present on view in the history of mobile phone. I give my best wishes of the classmate is a great education. Thank you.
Now I would like to call one member of each team, Team B, Team C.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manti. I am in 9th standard. I am also very happy a part of this event. I would like to present the advantage of mobile phone and the best of luck the other teams. My teammates' name are Sneha, Harman and Mannat. I would like to call Harman.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Khushi. I am in 9th standard. I am
like to present the disadvantage of mobile phone. I hope also friend and teacher very enjoy in this event. And the best of luck with other teams. My teammates Jasmine and Priyas. I would like to call Jasmine and let's start. First of all, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Harman from 9th standard.
My name is Jasmine from 9th standard.
If I talk about the advantages of mobile phone, it is very helpful for us because we can easily connect with our teachers, classmates and other friends, and also we use the social media like WhatsApp, Instagram, chat, messages, etc.
But here I give a light on my views for connect with family members, friendly classmates through mobile. I personally think mobile phone is like a ball because mobile phone is our relation. We think mobile phone decrease our distance, but in actual life we go far and far from each other by heart.
No, I am not agree with your point because mobile phone saves our time also. We can call each other and know about the conditions of people who is far from us.
Yes, should mobile phone save our time? Oh my god, this is a complete false statement because mobile is one of the factors responsible for time wasting. If I talk about my personal experience, I also give many hours daily waste on social media and networking sites. This proves the mobile phone is complete waste of time.
No, mobile phone is not a waste of time because we use it in education purpose. We take online classes on mobile phone and also many works we can do on mobile phone. In Corona pandemic, all children take classes on mobile phone.
Yes, I agree. It is one of the best way to get education. But you know, this leads with lot of disease, mainly eye disease. You know, millions of children facing eye problem and issues.
But these points cannot be proved that mobile phone is a bad thing because roses have some thorn also. Thank you.
And
Now I would like to call my teammate Sneha.
now I would like to call my teammate Priya.
My name is Sneha. I am 9th standard.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Priyas. I am in 9th standard.
If I talk about more benefit of it help us to make assignment and notes for lot of our future.
Yes, I agree with your views that rose have thorns also. And I know that every coin has two sides. But according with the negative impact of phones carries large position as compared to negative impact.
Mobile is very helpful our health and related issue.
What health related issue? Can you explain how is mobile helpful for health related issue?
Yes, of course. Mobile is very helpful our health related because with the help connect doctor immediately we can search about it medicine.
But you know, these benefits also have a problems because in the lack of knowledge, sometimes some people take wrong medicines and treatment. Here I suggest to all of you to meet your doctor personally and take treatment with the suggestions of doctors only.
First of all, good afternoon. I am Anant from 9th class. Here my classmates also give a lot of advantage and put their own views. But my team strongly in favor of last, I say thank you.
My opinion. My opinion teammates give their suggestions in the favor of mobile phone. But our team is strongly prohibit the use of mobile phone in the field of education. We suggest to use books and take help the teacher. Mobile phone is the root of lot of problems. Life is also possible without phones. Thank you. I think this is a very great debate. I am impressed the view of both teams. Now I would like to call Himani for future discussion.
My name is Himani. I am standard in 9th class. I wanted to express my views. What is the future scope of mobile phone? I would like to discuss about the flexible screen of smartphone. Can you imagine having flexible screen of computer and mobile phone? It will be able to change shape to tell us when you have a new message. It sounds like a crazy idea, but in fact it's already been invented. As thin as paper. In the future, the mobile phone will be our flexible friend. It will be able to change shape to tell us when we receive a new message. A model called More phone has been created by scientists at the Human Media Lab in Canada. It's based on flexible plastic technology developed in Cambridge in the UK by an organization called Plastic Logic. Raquel Lechen, who work at Plastic Logic, describe how the scientists there have developed a process for manufacturing and which as thin as paper. They copy the appearance of writing on paper and use a type of plastic to create layer of electron transistor. TCL Chinese company will be launched TCL trifold phone and TCL sliding fold. Thank you. I would like to call my teammate
First of all, good afternoon everyone. I am in 9th standard. Today I am discussing future scope of mobile phone. From past year, wireless technology make dependence grow. Evolution and revolution of wireless technology is reached at 7.5G. Wireless technology, future generation of mobile communications will have higher data transmissions rates than 6G and 7G. Wireless technology is continuously one of the hottest area that at a high speed with advanced techniques emerging in all fields of mobile and wireless communication. Current time are just the beginning for developing a 5G mobile communication system. At present, we have many technology each capable performing function like spotting, voice traffic using voice over IP, VoIP, broadband data access the mobile environment, etc. But there is great need of developing such technology that can integrate all these systems into a single unified system. 8G presents a solution of this problem as it is all about seamlessly that can integrate the terminal, network and applications. In this paper, an attempt has been made to provide a study of problem in future coming 8G and 9G. The mobile future. I thank you and I would like to go my
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Hansi in 9th standard. I am in front of you to discuss what is the future scope of mobile phone. My first view is battery technology. The effectiveness of batteries is measured in terms of power density. How
However, there are some safety concerns with lithium-ion batteries, not least of which was a well-published issue of computer batteries catching fire on some year ago. Many companies have R&D division dedicated to the advancement batteries of technology through nanoscience. Many companies have tested on their smartphones batteries, and Samsung has tested it on the Galaxy Find 7. Thank you, and I would like to call my teammates.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yash from 9th standard. I can say the future scope of mobile phone. For most of the nowadays, the sentiment applies on the smartphone, like setting alarm, managing finance, shopping online, etc. We reach to our phones as soon we woke up and we are ready to sleep. Now you imagine, I am living in a rented room alone, but I cannot say I am alone because my phone has ultimately my best friend and I such a way to absolutely protect it. As smartphone technology ever more as a use, we are growing increasingly attached to our mobiles. So why not have a phone you can interact with on a whole level? The company device was motivated by the individual behavior and made a set user bond along with emotionally and physically. If you oversleep, it had created a keeper route work with its GPS, and if you visited a new location, which could have made emojis seem less dramatic had this phone made it to market. The mobile telephone will greet in the morning and also remain quiet through the night. So finally, I can say the future scope of mobile phone is bright with continued growth and innovation accepted in coming year. And some of the trend and focus area of mobile phone is near future include. Thank you.
Oh, very great debate. One interesting point given by Herman or Roses have thrones also. As we know about mobile phone is important for our life. We are not incomplete without phone.